Hey everyone, you've just discovered a hidden gem, a financial app that promises to simplify investing. It's called Wealthsimple. You're intrigued, but one question lingers in your mind. How much does Wealthsimple charge per trade? Hook. Ever wondered if there's a catch to those seemingly effortless investment platforms? Well, today, we're diving deep into the world of Wealthsimple to answer that burning question. Building context. Wealthsimple has gained immense popularity for its user-friendly interface and commission-free trading. But is it truly free? Let's break down the fees you might encounter. Fee breakdown. Asterisk 1. Account fees. Wealthsimple offers a few account types, each with its own fees. The basic account is free, but you'll have limited features. The Wealthsimple Trade account, designed for active traders, has a monthly fee. The Wealthsimple Invest account, for automated investing, charges a management fee based on your portfolio size. Asterisk 2. Trading fees. While Wealthsimple doesn't charge a commission per trade, there are other fees to consider. Exchange fees. These fees are charged by the stock exchanges where your trades are executed. Currency conversion fees. If you're trading in foreign currencies, you might incur conversion fees. Data fees. Some data providers may charge fees for market data. Asterisk 3. Other fees. Inactivity fees. If your account remains inactive for a prolonged period, you might be subject to inactivity fees. Withdrawal fees. There might be fees associated with withdrawing funds from your Wealthsimple account. Comparison with traditional brokers. Asterisk. Now that we've covered Wealthsimple's fees, let's compare them to traditional brokers. Traditional brokers often charge a commission per trade, which can add up quickly. However, traditional brokers may offer more advanced features and research tools. Is Wealthsimple right for you? Asterisk. The decision of whether Wealthsimple is the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and investment goals. If you're a beginner investor looking for a simple and affordable platform, Wealthsimple might be a great option. However, if you're an experienced trader who requires advanced features and research tools, a traditional broker might be more suitable. Additional considerations. Asterisk. Beyond fees, here are a few other factors to consider when choosing an investment platform. Customer service. How responsive and helpful is Wealthsimple's customer support? Security. How does Wealthsimple protect your investments and personal information? Available investments. Does Wealthsimple offer a wide range of investment options, including stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds? Conclusion. Asterisk. While Wealthsimple doesn't charge a commission per trade, there are other fees to consider, such as account fees, exchange fees, and currency conversion fees. Whether Wealthsimple is the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. By understanding the fees and features of Wealthsimple and comparing it to traditional brokers, you can make an informed decision about where to invest your money. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy investing.